Happy Monday, my loves. Hope you're having a gorgeous day. We're off to shoot. I am working with such beautiful, amazing, talented hairstylists, hairdressers to create this look. So I'm going to create a few images to show you guys the hair exactly, because I feel like I concentrate a lot on makeup and clothes and not my hair, which is crazy because hair is one of the top questions I ever get asked about. And then I'm going to run a few errands. I quickly want to go to Home Goods to look at a mirror. And then I'm gonna go visit my auntie. Good morning, my love. So it is currently 9 AM. It is a Thursday morning. We are going to, I'm talking like there's two other people in the car, it's just me. I am going to go ahead and get my makeup done by a very talented person called Angie. I will obviously link them below and all that jazz. I'm gonna get ready to shoot this morning and film a whole bunch of videos, and then after that we are going to an event. I don't normally get my makeup done when I film, but today's an exception because we have a few shoots coming up. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Are you guys ready? Firstly, can we just take a look at how cute this is, you guys? She did it. So this is the beautiful Angie.
Hi.
She's so cute. Look how beautiful her room is. She's glamming me. This is what's happened. Oh my gosh. My face looks like a porcelain. That's crazy. Oh my god, I love it. Hello my beauty. So I just finished the makeup look by the beautiful Ange. Excuse me. Ange did my makeup. I think she did an amazing job. I literally, when other people do my makeup, I just live for it. You know what I mean? Live for it. It's like gloomy weather, but I love this weather so much. It's like the perfect staying at home, candly, coffee weather, if you know what I mean. I have a few things that are due that I need to get done, and then I am going to go ready for the event tonight, which thank God is in about 6-7 hours. We have time. We have time to do work. So it is much later now. We just shot the second outfit. What do you guys think? I think legit people think I'm crazy in this neighborhood. I like to bring my coffees with me. Gives a bit of an element of me, you know what I'm saying? How funny, I got these from where I used to work at a party jewelry retail store years ago, and I'm still wearing it. How funny is we're doing photos for something new that I'm coming out with, which I can't wait to show you what it is. What do you guys think of this outfit? And look, let me know. Now I'm ready to go to the event. It's an event with Pixi Beauty, Dulcecandy, Chloe, Morello and Whaley. I'm so excited to see them all. Chloe's one of my really good friends, so I'm so excited to see her and celebrate this amazing partnership she has with Pixi. This is what I'm wearing. It is from the shoot this morning, and my makeup has been stayed put the whole day, so thank you to Angie. I'm wearing the same outfit that I did for the shoot this morning. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go!
She would grab it from the kitchen. I told her not to.
That's a lie, I would. Coming, Jess. Sorry. My eyes on the prize.
No, you said my eyes on the prize and he thought you said fries.
And fries, Jessie. I got the prize.
Fries.
The fries. Thank you for the demonstration.
You're welcome.
Her outfit looks amazing. Can we just come here? I'm like, I like how it's directing everyone. I'm like, come here. She looks amazing. Look at that. Ooh, look who I bumped into. I found another Aussie. Chloe's husband. You guys ready? United 2 years later.
Oh my gosh. I feel like it's longer.
When was it? It was 2013,
oh my
you
gosh.
guys.
It was like 5
Chloe was in my room. Like, how crazy is that?
That was so fun. I miss you so much, and I miss your mom.
My mom literally messages me. She actually emailed me. She's at work. She's like, when you see Chloe, tell her that I miss her. She wrote me an email. I didn't even
love your mom. Hi, Mom.
Mama, she misses you. So proud of you, Chloe. So proud of you.
Thank you for coming.
I enjoyed you so much.
delicious looking sandwiches are no longer available. To the kitchen.
You guys, outside the kitchen, find Jessie. And then I was like, is there any sandwiches there? Just because you are not going to ask them if there's sandwiches. Yes, I am. I'm hungry.
It's weird.
It is not with Jess. I was hungry. I'm hungry too. Okay, then what's the sandwiches? I want to know if this is really bad after the event. Hashtag I feel quite guilty. Oops. Happy Monday, you guys. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I woke up really early today because I had to help Sarah pack. She went back to San Diego. I always get confused between San Francisco and San Diego. You know when you get that feeling how it's like not even 9 AM and you're finished so much. So I got through all my emails. I got through deadlines that I had to do. So that's out of the way. First thing in the morning before 9 AM, I got this. So my workout is finally done. That took about 50 minutes to do. I can do any other workout, whatever it is I can do, and I won't feel the same pain and tiredness. Like it kills me in a good way, you know what I mean? Like that good kill when I do Insanity. I can literally be at the gym for 3 hours and I won't get the same results and the same feeling when I do one workout of Insanity, which is insane. When I do the workout, I sip my green tea. This is my second cup of green tea. I buy the jasmine and green tea from Trader Joe's. Absolutely love it. It's the size of my head, you guys. I drink several mugs a day of green tea. I'm gonna go ahead and run a few errands. And when I come back, I'll show you guys my shower routine. So I just obviously just came out of the shower. Isn't it the best feeling when you get your work done, you get your workout in, and then you shower? It's like you're ready to go. I love this time period. I have to come sitting naked pretty much and tell you guys about my shampoo and conditioner. I know it's a bit like, okay, you can get dressed. No, I couldn't. It couldn't wait. I had to tell you guys right now. My hair feels like water. Let me just repeat. Water. So soft. Let me show you guys what I used. So a few weeks ago, I showed you guys this brand called Baha Babe. I was doing an unboxing and you guys know, I don't know if you know, well, let me tell you. I'm one of those people that if I have like a routine going on, like a scheduled product that goes for my hair, my body, whatever it is, my face, it takes a lot of effort for me to get off that product, get off that routine and try something new. But when I try it and I'm obsessed with it, Jesus, Lord Christ, I literally become obsessed with it. That's exactly what's kind of happening right now, if I want to be honest with you. So I started using this Baha Babe shampoo and conditioner. Firstly, the packaging, how cute is this? A few weeks ago now. I'm obsessed, and do not get fooled by the size. A little pump goes a long way with that, and you guys know how thick and long my hair is. I was actually quite surprised when I first started using it. I was like, you know what, I have to throw it in a video. I cannot hold on to this beautiful secret for any longer. Firstly, the packaging, B, product in itself, it lathers so quickly and it's so soft. And the good thing that I really did like about this brand is that they are cruelty free, they're vegan, they're natural, they're made in Australia. Woo, represent. So Baha Babe, you found yourself a big loyal fan, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and link them below because I definitely want you guys to try them out and let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, so soft. You guys, so I literally just brushed my hair and applied a tiny bit of argan oil to it because that's what I normally do, and look how soft and shiny it is. The rest of the night, all I'm going to do is get back to a few emails and edit a few videos. Now, a lot of you know that I recently got a coffee machine. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. What I like to do is make like the cold version of coffee drinks. I don't put ice in it, but I just kind of like add milk and it becomes cold, and then I put a little bit of cinnamon. You guys, it's the best. So good. I'm going to go ahead and have a chill night for once. Hope you guys are having a beautiful night.